you something about even what is going out there about the model, our CDF model. And therefore, when we see this, and we see how people talk about it out there, the pride that they have that there's a Kenyan country that has actually managed to decentralize funds and manage it so that there's equity within this country. I am still baffled and surprised that this money is still being held. I again appeal and call upon the government to release the money, even as we are going through a very difficult time within the society now about the finance bill. These are some of the things that if they were done, then I think there would have been a little bit consideration on certain aspects of the bill. But as we speak now, Mr. Speaker, my constituents, I have told me, please we do not support the bill in the manner in which it is presented, and I will therefore go with the sentiments of my constituents and say no. Thank you. Thank you very much. I support the report. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ivo Bara. When the speaker recognized you, some thought you were going to speak about GAF. They don't understand in Normal Bay, women leaders of your caliber are elected to lead constituencies. Very great contributions. Thank you very much. The Honorable Andrew Okuome, you want to contribute to this?
Mr. Speaker, thanks so much for giving me an opportunity to contribute to this item of presentation that came from the